Drifting is a stamina type swerve and a basic technique. It is one of the simplest to do. To drift, you simply need to activate your stamina type ability. Though, similar to a curveball, drifting can be used to break out of an automated attack and is more effective this way as there are more applications and you get a little speed boost as your trajectory curves. Drifting can be used in stalling and baiting and is a core part of advanced stamina type techniques and strategies. But if used clumsily, drifting can become a huge waste, so take note. Timing is important as your bay's direction, speed, and distance from your opponent's bay directly influence the success of your drift. Don't worry, you'll understand after your first fail. Also, drifting is most effective against slower bays, destabilized bays, or bays that are still accelerating. More details in the description below. Please share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Technical Blader, for more techniques and strategies if you haven't already. Goodbye and keep blading from a Technical Blader.